This is a Pasadena sound, a Kia Optima 2013 hybrid. We kept the sound system stock. We added some stuff to it, like over here you can see everything is stock. What we did, we added an audio control system, bass knob with an equalizer system, and this is how it sounds inside. And we added and what we did in the trunk, we did everything looks clean. We added an amplifier Alpine 500 monoblock, audio control high to low LC2 with a JL system, W3, the new woofers in the box in the where the spare tire is. So if you want to get your car done, give us a call, 626-449-9666, Pasadena Sound Motorsport.